Morning. Decided to have breakfast without me, have you? Is that all it's got, bro? Come on, beam a shift. Got the 19 smoker coming through.
It's revved out.
Oh, okay, is that it? It's on the... She's on... Watch them brakes.
Yeah, it's got warmer in here now.
What's the plan then, Tom?
Fuck!
Dirt everywhere.
Major breakups, that is.
It's major what?
Major breakups.
It's major rippage, mate. Yep. My mount doesn't look nearly as good as Stuart's. Stuart's lasted, mine didn't. What did we use on that now?
Silicon.
Silicon, yeah.
OCD and I'm working in a shithole.
You reckon? Too big.
Too big.
Too big.
That's very right.
You reckon?
The discs are frosted already.
Yep. It's this unit, mate. Kills metros.
Oh, did you flatten that over then?
Yeah. Horn was never fucking plugged in. The horn was only for show. It was never plugged in.
camera. Where have we got to go? Towards me?
Towards... Nah, other way.
Let's
It's going to be in the way. Looks like it's going to be in the way.
You'll find that a lot of things will be in the way when you start to try and get it out.
Should we show Stuart how well ours lasted?
If you see them 2 bolts there, you can take that out. You probably will have it made.
You reckon?
Not the nicest, is it?
Didn't last as well as Stuart's.
Do you think anyone just called him Stuart?
Why? Because his name's Stuart. I can't call him Stewie, he sounds like some sort of Family Guy. He does the voice. Stewie, Stewie!
We're on to box removal then, but do you think we should take that loose? I think we should take the CCU tray out of the way first. Nearly there, bro.
Yes.
If we ever give ourselves an hernia.
I'm interested to see what the clutch is like. I almost asked you what his clutch looked like, but I don't think it gets that much.
Grab that one. There you go. It's easier with 2, you're trying to pull it up and out.
Yeah.
That's that.
That's it, it only took 2 separate days and 4 hours, but we got there. We ain't gonna be taking the clutch off, are we?
Just get a new one and put a new one on.
Yeah, we'll have a
Whatever you
look
want.
at that another time, I think. This is what I did in the scrapyard. Let's blame Steve. That was Steve, that was.
So it looks alright, doesn't it?
Yeah, not too bad.
Gotta try and get it back on then. And hope the clutch lines up when you put the clutch on. And if you get it down there. Dear.
Wasn't too bad, was it? Oh, Tom's got his bonnet up. Tom's got his bonnet up. Oh, poor girl. Oh. What are you saying, Tom? Oh, what's that? It's growing fungus, red fungus on the gearbox.
For sale.
For sale. Someone asked me on the comments on the last video how many Metros I've got.
Were there 2 on the last video?
I think I said something about grabbing parts off the other 2. But they're not mine. They're retired, so you'll never see them anyway. Right, I think we're going to end it off there. I've got a roast beef dinner to get home soon, and Tom's got
Cold pizza.
cold pizza. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you made it till the end, well done. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe so I can buy myself a new GoPro for Christmas. And I'll see you in part 3. Right then folks, it's been a couple of days since we took the gearbox out of the Metro. I don't think I explained it very well while I was up the unit, what I was actually going to be doing with these gearboxes. So I've actually got both gearboxes back at home now. The one which we removed, and the Metro's original gearbox which we took out at the time of the engine swap. So we've got the original Metro gearbox there, which you can see is a bit dirty. That's a 66,000 mile R65U gearbox, and that's a 3.7 final drive. Over here we've got the one we took out, which is obviously a lot cleaner. This box was actually brand new out of Rover. It was never fitted to a car. It was kind of snuck out the back doors. So this was an extremely low mileage box when I bought it. It had been fitted to a Metro for about 1,500 miles and then sold to me. But now it's broken, obviously. So what we're hoping to do is any parts that are broken in this gearbox, take them from that box, put them into this and make this gearbox good again. But at the same time, we're also hoping to change the final drive. The final drive in this gearbox is 3.5. We're hoping to change it to a 3.7, which is in the Metro's original gearbox, which should help acceleration for track days and drag racing, things like that. So that's kind of where we're at the moment. Both gearboxes have got to go to my gearbox builder to be stripped down and parts swapped. And the diff, the LSD that's in my gearbox has got to be sent off to Quaife to have the crown wheel changed, because obviously the crown wheel got the 3.5 final drive on it. So that needs to be taken off, because Quaife originally pressed that on, and then changed for the 3.7, sent back to me, and then all that fitted into the gearbox, which is hopefully fixed by that point. So yeah, that's where we're up to. So hopefully this whole gearbox saga should be sorted pretty soon. Obviously we've got the winter, so there's nothing really going on car wise for the next few months, but hopefully as soon as the season kicks off again next year, we should be ready to rip. Notice Kim's liquid yellow ornament still sitting behind me. I'm not going to be able to record any of the gearbox rebuild side of things, because that's going to a gearbox guy. He's just going to deal with that on his own and kind of give me back fix. So unfortunately I'm not going to be able to record any of that. But as soon as it's back and sorted, I'll take you along with us as we fit it back into the car. Fire it up and see how it goes. Obviously give the car a quick road test and see how we get on with the new final drive. Hopefully it improves the car. As always guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.